Hey everyone, welcome to Full Stack Snippet. If you know the basic of Python and want to build a real-world backend APIs, you are at the right place. In this course, we learn FastAPI, a super fast and modern framework that lets you build powerful APIs in a minute. And in this course, we'll not only build the fast APIs, we'll also build React frontend to integrate your APIs. And we also deploy backend APIs on AWS in serverlessly using Lambda and modern framework on Vercel. Before we jump into the Python, we'll start with a short type safety intro using TypeScript style patterns so that you are mentally prepared for fast API strong typing system. Here is the video breakdown for the series. So at the end of this series, you will have a fully working backend deployed on AWS Lambda, a production ready UI hosted on Vercel, API documentation for free using fast API built-in Swagger, and clean type safe async ready Python code. So make sure you hit the like subscribe button and follow along. In the next video, we'll explore type safety and how it will shape the way you write APIs. Trust me, after this series, you'll never look at the REST API the same again. Let's dive into the part two. See you there.